Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's count down. 1, 2, 3.
You're watching Daelene's Fantasy Playland.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe either for more videos. Like.
Hi everyone.
Hi, hey Daelene, what you got there?
We got Sunny Bunnies.
Sunny Bunnies!
Wow.
Yeah, that's so cool.
We're here again.
You're here again, oh my goodness. Yeah, this is the second episode, guys. And today we have here the Bunny Blast playset.
Wow. It has a button.
It has a button, yeah. We have 5 Sunny Bunnies characters included. So we have here Shiny, Iris, Hopper, Turbo, and Big Boo. So this toy includes 1 Bunny Blast cannon.
Let's go try to open it.
Alright, we're gonna open this toy now.
Wow. We got a yellow cannon.
Yeah.
And we got 2 wheels.
2 wheels, yeah, that's so cool.
And a stand.
Yeah, the stand has stars on it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Yeah. So we got the 5 Sunny Bunnies.
Where is it? Oh, there they are. This is Big Boo, the pink one. The green one is Hopper.
Hopper?
Yeah, it hops like this.
Like that.
Yeah, it's not bouncy. And we got the purple one here. She's so pretty. Look at that. It's
I want to
Iris.
check it out.
Yeah, that's Daelene's favorite, right?
Yeah.
See? You love it. And oh, look at this one. Look at Turbo. Oh my gosh, what a hair.
Shiny has a flower.
Wow. She also has a pink hair. Look at that, Daelene.
Pink hair, light blue hair, and dark blue hair.
Dark blue hair. Yeah, she got all blue. She's so pretty, right?
And the pink on the top. Let's try Shiny.
Alright, let's do it. Let's put Shiny inside the cannon.
Are you ready, guys?
Yeah, we're ready. Come on. Fire. Whoa, there you go.
Let's try the orange one.
Okay, let's put Turbo inside the cannon.
Turbo's lock and load.
Turbo's lock and load. Okay, let's see Turbo flies. Whoa! Where did he go? Oh my goodness.
Well, let's try this.
That's Iris. Okay, let's put Iris inside the cannon this time. Lock and load. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, 1,
2, 3.
whoa! There she goes. Oh my goodness. Let's try some trick here. Yo, we're stacking them. Okay, here's our cannon. Let's see if Daelene can hit the other Sunny Bunnies, okay? Alright guys, we're gonna have fun and try to hit the other Sunny Bunnies. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's count down. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Big Boo! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try it again. Okay guys, here we go. Ready, Daelene?
Yeah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Yay! You hit them! Oh my gosh.
Let's try again.
Okay, let's try it the 3rd time. This time we're gonna put Big Boo on top. Let's put Shiny here as well.
Are you ready, guys?
Okay, we're ready.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Almost. You almost got it. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, there you go.
Are you ready, guys?
Okay, we're ready.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! You got Shiny! Oh my gosh.
Let's try these ones. Not shiny anymore.
Okay, who's the next one? Oh, these guys. Okay, we're gonna try those 3. Okay, you ready?
Are you ready?
We're ready!
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Bullseye! Yay!
Are you okay? I'm not. I'm dead.
I'm dead! What are you doing there, Hopper?
I cannot go up.
Where are you gonna go up? Okay, go now. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Go up there. There you go. Inside the cannon.
Oh. I'm ready.
Are you ready, Hopper?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopper's ready, guys. All right. Ready to fly. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. That's busted.
I'm okay.
You're okay, Hopper?
Yeah.
That didn't work. You want to try it once more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it once more.
Hey, what's this thing?
That's the button. That's how you launched it. Come on. Go ahead inside. Oh, be careful. Get inside now. Come on.
Okay. I'll try again.
Okay, get inside the cannon.
Ah. I can't get in by myself.
Okay.
I made it. I'm not locked and loaded.
Lock and loaded, Hopper?
Yeah.
All right, Hopper's ready. Are you ready, Iris and the gang?
Yeah.
Okay, they're ready. Let's do this.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! You still didn't make it. So alright guys, there you have it. These are the Bunny Blast playset from Sunny Bunnies. Thank you guys for giving these gifts. So in order to watch the next episodes guys, don't forget to subscribe right now. Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon there to let you know that we have posted a new video. And also don't forget to tap those videos on the screen right now. You tap them to watch the next episodes guys. So until next time everyone. Bye! Bye! And thank you again, Sunny Bunnies.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and watch the next and previous videos.